Welcome back, my friends. I've got another unboxing for you today, and this is part of my series in preparation for Valentine's Day. I know usually we think about red and pink as the celebratory colors associated with Valentine's Day, but for those of you who are into slightly different variations, I am doing a special series of special unboxings and gifts for the purple lovers in your life who might not appreciate pink or red but would love a special Valentine's Day gift in a lovely shade of purple. This was partially inspired by heyyyjune. If you are interested in her series of unboxings for the whole month of February, I will link her channel down below. But this is just my slight homage to the upcoming holiday, as well as a celebration of all things purple. The first unboxing for this series is actually not really an unboxing, more of a reveal. I actually used this on a recent trip to New York as my hand carry bag, and I really love it. It is a great bag, and as you will soon see, the color is just right up my alley. So this is something that I heard from my SA Isabel down at Neiman Marcus in San Antonio. She was kind enough to get this sent to me here, and a little peek of my latest edition. This is the Valentino tote bag in the color Glycine. This is really a spectacular color. As you can see, it's already gotten a little bit of creasing from use, but this is a great bag. It's about the same size as a Neverfull MM, and it is a super soft but light leather. It does have the Valentino rock studs on the top. As you can see, I'm gonna take out some of the stuffing. As you can see, has the Valentino rock studs and some schmutz in there. Okay, there is a suede lining inside. This isn't microfiber, and it does have a magnetic closure. It has two, if you can see, two slip pockets, and then one zippered pocket, and the zippered pocket is lined in a purple satin. There are no D-rings or hooks or anything, but this is you know, quite spacious. It's easy to find things since the interior is not black, it is purple, matches the outside, and no feet, and the leather is a grain calfskin, as you can see, or I'll bring it up closer so you can see the grain. Now, several other bags do come in this color as well, and I will include some photos. So this is just a quick reveal of the latest addition to my purple collection, my handbag collection. This beautiful Valentino rock stud tote in the color Glycine is a very cool tone purple, and it is great for right now in the winter time, and I anticipate that it'll look beautiful with denim, as well as moving into spring and summer as we get into lighter colors as well. If you like these types of reveals and unboxings, want to see what other options I have to share with you for your purple lovers in your life, please hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified of all future videos. And if you like this quick video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really love it if you showed me some love for my little YouTube family and for my channel. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Bye.